Looking for jewelry as unique as your love story? At Aquamarine Jewelers, they create memories that last a lifetime. With over 25 years of expertise, this family-owned business has been the Sacramento area's trusted jeweler. Located on Arden Way in Fair Oaks Boulevard in Carmichael, they're your neighborhood destination where quality meets artistry. Simon, their owner and master jeweler, can transform your old rings and jewelry into stunning new pieces. That broken necklace? Those outdated earrings? They give your cherished jewelry new life through expert custom design. From engagement rings to anniversary gifts, they create one-of-a-kind pieces right in their showroom. Their on-site repairs mean your jewelry never leaves their care, with same-day service available. Visit Aquamarine Jewelers today, where your old jewelry becomes tomorrow's treasure. Open Tuesday through Saturday, ready to create something extraordinary.